Hello, and welcome to this Excel QuickStart tutorial. What's a QuickStart course? First, it's short. The course consists of just 8 videos, a total of only 35 minutes. Second, it's designed for true beginners to provide an overview of how Excel is used. It's not a list of detailed functions. You'll see how Excel is used in practice to solve real business problems and analyze data. The course is not designed to provide a detailed list of accounting and scientific functions. You'll learn by doing, through authentic business case studies. So it's perfect for beginners, for people preparing for a job interview, for people starting a new office job in sales, purchasing, accounting, or in a warehouse. How do I know? In my day job, I'm a senior executive and hiring manager at a high-tech company, and I wrote the Excel quiz we give to prospective employees. The course is based on 2 case studies. The first provides a list of bouquets sold by a small flower shop, the type of bouquet, the quantity sold, and the price. It starts from a blank worksheet, the very beginning, and it introduces the very basics of Excel, entering data and formulas, formatting, filtering, and sorting data in a table, calculating sums and averages. It's a simple example to get you started. The second is based on my day job. It provides an authentic case study of the use of Excel in sales reporting. You'll see how Excel is used to answer questions like, who are the top customers? What are the top selling products? And it introduces some advanced Excel functions like pivot tables and charts. Altogether, you'll see how over 30 Excel functions are used in practice to analyze data. Each step in Excel is highlighted, so it's easy to follow along. Here's a snippet of the video on pivot tables and charts. Let's convert the data in the pivot table to a chart. From the Analyze menu tab, click on the icon Pivot Chart, and we'll choose the simple clustered column chart. Click on OK. And I provide the Excel files from the video so that you can practice what you've learned. There's very little to lose. If you don't like the course, Udemy provides a full refund. If you do like the course and you'd like to learn more, I'll give you a 50% discount on my other Excel courses. These are highly rated, and like this one, they're based on case studies. See the wrap-up video at the end of this course for more details on how to get your discount. A few practical tips. You can slow down or speed up the tempo of the course to suit your learning style. Post questions on the forums. I generally respond in a day or two, and the practice files are available in the download sections. I strongly encourage you to download the practice files and follow along. You'll definitely learn more, and that's the goal. Finally, I'd like to ask for a good review. After a few lessons, Udemy will ask you to complete a review. I'd appreciate your honest assessment. It's time to get started. I'd like to invite you to enroll now, and then join me for the first video lesson on entering data. Let's go.